to delete all of your posts at once on Facebook. Follow these steps. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down again and find the option called Activity Log. Tap on it. In the Activity Log page, find the Your Facebook Activity option. Tap on it. Now you'll see the option to manage posts. This includes posts that you created or liked. Tap on it. You'll see all the posts that you have posted. Tap on the Filters option to filter out the post you want to delete. Tap on All to select all of your posts. Finally, tap on Recycle Bin to automatically delete all of your posts on Facebook. By following these steps, you'll be able to delete all of your posts at once on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.